Do your best, bro. Hello, what's going on, and welcome back to Copywriter's Corner. And in this video, we're going to talk about keeping it simple and punchy. Basically what that means is every single word that you write doesn't have to be this elaborate, fluffy, esoteric sort of wording. Sorry, I'm like falling into the couch right now. Alright, so it doesn't have to be all this fluffy, like fancy wording or anything like that. You are not writing an essay. You're writing copy. And so examples of punchy would be like, for examples of headlines, 5 ways to make $1 million in just 28 days. I fell from the ground and then it happened. And then it happened. ... I started doing push-ups and then I went into a handstand and everyone couldn't help but stare. Okay, so let's break that sentence down because I actually like that one. So that was an example of short and punchy. Let's look at how you could change that into a way where it becomes fluffy and long. Pause. As I was walking through the gym on a bright summer's day, I noticed that it was full and I had a bright idea. What if I fell to the ground? So, with that idea being had, I pretended to fall. And as I was falling, it's like everything went into slow motion and I was looking around and I noticed people were in shock. Oh my God, this guy is falling right now. And then as I hit the ground, I remembered all of the training that I was doing for this moment, and I made sure to fall directly on my hands and immediately started to do push-ups, 5 to be exact. And after I did those 5 push-ups, I kicked myself up and started doing handstand push-ups after that. And then I stopped and got up and everyone was applauding. Okay, hopefully you can see the difference and the unnecessariness of going through that entire story. And there is a way that you could go through that entire story and still make it simple and punchy, but the point is, a lot of times you don't need that much. A lot of times you can make do with a little. I was in the gym and I had a bright idea. And I had a bright idea that would liven everyone's day. So I fell to the ground and started doing push-ups and then kicked myself up into a handstand and yelled, "Yo guys, I'm dope!" And everybody laughed and then I fell. So just keep this in mind, and I will go through examples when we get to the part where I actually go to the sales page and break a sales page down. You will get to see some examples of what short and punchy, simple and punchy looks like. And then you'll be able to actually implement that into what you do as well. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.